Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe Sham. This is Shri Radharani's Kartik 2021. Class is continuing verse 23. It's more description of, continuing description of Pratak Lila, Radharani's bathing in Barsana, from 6 a.m. to 8:24. Prakshalya pada kamalam tadanukramenna Goshtendra Sunu Dayate Talakesha Pesham Ha Narmada Kratita Sundara Shukshmamalir Venim Krishati Kada Pranayar Janoyam. Translation. O Radharani, you are the beloved of the Prince of Braj. Goshtendra Sunu Dayate. Dayate means beloved. When will I, after, it's Tulsi Mandri, when will I, after washing your lotus feet, lovingly braid your hair with beautiful fine garlands made by the forest girl Narmada. So, forest girl means Vandevi. Narmada is a Vandevi. She's not in the category of Sakhis. She's a Narmada, she's a lady, but she's a Vandevi. She picked out many small bakul flowers, and all small flowers make garlands for the hair, and she came to help with the dressing. So there's Leela here described. It's a lot of points. Tulsi Mandri, who is Dasko Swami, takes Swamini Radha into the dressing room and washes her lotus feet again before she starts drying Swamini's hair by squeezing it with a wet cloth and scenting Radha's hair with aguru incense.